Want to skip through ads or fast forward to your favorite parts of a show? YouTube TV's fast forward feature allows you to easily jump ahead, so you can watch content on your terms. In this guide, we'll show you how to use this feature. Step 1. Start playing a video. Keycap 1. Open YouTube TV on your device. Keycap 2. Browse through your live TV or library and select a show or movie you want to watch. Step 2. Fast forward using your remote or app controls. On mobile, phone/tablet. Play button while watching a video. Tap on the screen. Play button, use the progress bar to drag to the desired point in the video. Play button, you can also tap the fast forward icon, usually a right arrow, to skip 10, 15, or 30 seconds at a time. On smart TVs or streaming devices. Play button, use the right arrow button on your remote to fast forward through the content. Play button, you can also use the progress bar to move to any point in the video. Step 3. Skip ads when available. If you're watching recorded content or on-demand videos, YouTube TV might allow you to skip certain ads. Simply look for the skip ad button and press it to jump ahead. Step 4. Fast forwarding during live TV. When watching live TV, YouTube TV does not always allow you to fast forward directly through content. However, you can pause the live stream, then use the fast forward feature to jump ahead to the current live moment. Bonus tip. You can use the 30-second skip feature to quickly pass through unwanted scenes, ads, or intros. Simply press the right arrow on your remote or screen tap to skip in increments of 30 seconds. Master the fast forward feature on YouTube TV to enjoy your shows faster. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated.